Hello, beautiful mamas to be. If you have reached this video, you are looking for your maternity guide. Pregnancy is such a special journey, and one of the most common questions I get is pregnancy mein kya pehne? What should we wear? But before that, hi, I'm Manya. I'm an internationally certified stylist, image and color consultant, and I am a mom. I help women transform in their best self and train individuals become stylists. Subscribe to this YouTube channel and let me help you in figuring out all the pregnancy and postpartum styling that will help to make your journey easy. As your body changes through all the three trimesters, comfortable and confidence becomes equally important. So today I'll guide you through what to wear in each trimester and also share a little motivation to help you embrace this beautiful phase of motherhood and share a secret too. So let's get started. During the first trimester, your baby bump is not that visible, yet you might feel bloating, fatigue, and breast tenderness. So invest in these key four pieces: loose cotton tops and shirts, stretchable legging or jeggings, and comfortable dresses with your room to grow. Soft, non-wired bras. The key is comfort, so do not buy maternity clothes right away. Just choose breathable fabrics and relaxed fits. Because remember, even if your body isn't showing major changes yet, amazing things are happening inside. So be gentle to yourself. Now comes the second trimester, which is 4 to 6 months. This is called the golden period of pregnancy. So now your energy returns back and your baby bump starts showing beautifully. Now, what you need to invest in are these five key phases. Invest in maternity wear now, maternity leggings and pants, empire waist dresses, flowy kurtas, and quad sets, stretchable bodycon dresses if you love showing your baby bump, and supportive maternity bras. For Indian wear, I would suggest start wearing draw cords and avoid elastic bands because it leaves marks. And this is the perfect time to celebrate your growing bump and wear outfits that make you feel confident and beautiful. Remember, your changing body is not something to hide. It's creating life. So wear bump with pride. Third trimester, which is 7 to 9 months, your baby bump has grown and your baby is growing with comfortable environment. But your top priority remains the clothing pieces that you're going to invest in. So here, loose maxi dresses, maternity night suits and loungewear, cotton soft kurtis with leggings, comfortable footwear with good support material, breathable fabrics to avoid overheating. Avoid wearing anything too tight around your belly now and focus on outfits that give you a lot of movement. Most importantly, listen to your body. If something feels uncomfortable, change it quickly. Your comfort matters. And if you're pregnant in winters, you do not need to invest in a lot of features. Invest in cardigans, kaftans, sweatshirts. The reason being that your body is changing and your hormones are too high. So you don't feel cold a lot of time, and this happened with me. So that's the thing. Now comes the secret. Raid your husband wardrobe because it has a lot of pieces that are very comfortable to you and that will help you to embrace your motherhood and keep your husband clothes more close to you, and you will feel much more confident and comfortable. Now, how will you select the right size throughout the pregnancy? The biggest thing that you need to understand and women make is that choosing clothes that are not fitting them anymore, which means that if you're choosing clothes from a maternity brand, choose the same size that you're wearing right now. But if it's a non-maternity brand, go a size up. That's it. That's the secret of how you need to figure out. So most maternity brands already account the belly growth. So for example, if you are like a medium before pregnancy and you want to go for a maternity brand, take medium in it. But if it's a non-maternity brand, go up. And that's it. Stay tuned for another guide on pregnancy that would talk about lingerie and the shoot footwear you need to choose and much more. But mamas, your body is changing because it is preparing to nourish and nurture life. The right clothing isn't about choosing and looking a certain way. It's about supporting your body through one of the most incredible transformations it will ever experience. So choose comfort, choose support, choose confidence. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Your body is doing something amazing, extraordinary, miracle. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and tell me in the comment section which trimester you are in, so that I can help you style better and shop better. Sending you lots of love, healthy wishes to all the beautiful mamas to be out there. See you soon in the next video.